Hey everyone, Happy New Year of 2025. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami gift box. And it locks closed. And I'm going to teach you all how to fold it. Alright, let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this origami gift box. And this is what the model looks like. And what's really cool about it is that it actually stays locked closed. And this is how you open it. So just take this flap and pull it open like this. Alright, and then you can stick your gift in there and then close it back up. So you just insert these two flaps into these two pockets. And I do have to say this is kind of hard to do at first. It can be kind of hard to get the flaps into the pockets, but I don't really care. I think this is a really cool model. There you go, just like that. And what's inside this one? Dun, 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 dun. Another gift box. Yep, this one I folded from a 6-inch square of kami. And this is from a sheet of printer paper cut square. And this one is folded from a 10-inch square of kami. And that's what I'm going to use. So, I'm going to make a colored box, so we're going to begin at the white side facing up, and we're going to fold in half. Try to make very precise folds, and crease sharply. Okay. Unfold, rotate, and fold in half this way. Oh, by the way, if you're a member of my channel, hold on, let me make the fold first. If you support me as a member, I'm going to teach how to make this really simple flower from a pentagon, and also this model I just designed tonight. So these are both for members only, and it's only about $5 per month. So check the description below for the link. Okay. Unfold, and now fold two opposite corners to the center. You can unfold. Okay, unfold. Now take this corner and fold it to here. Unfold. And now fold this corner to here. Okay, do not unfold this time. Rotate. And now take this corner and fold it to there. Unfold, and now fold this corner to there. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this up like this and like that, and repeat on the side. Alright, and now we're going to take this corner and fold it to there. Unfold and repeat on the side. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this corner and fold it to the middle. Unfold, rotate, and repeat on the side. Okay, and now take this corner and fold it to the last, well, not the last crease, but to that point right there. Okay, and rotate, and take this corner and fold it to there. Alright, and now we're going to make some diagonal folds. So what we're going to do is we're going to reverse this crease into a mountain fold. Just on, well, actually we can do it on all layers. There. And then make these mountain folds too. Okay, and let's fold the top down like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a diagonal valley fold from there to there. So we're lifting this up. And we're folding it like that. Okay, and repeat on this side. So fold from here to there. It's easiest to just do it on the table. And let's make these sharp. Alright, undo that. And now we're going to make a fold that goes from this point here, from this point to there. Okay, and now from there to there. Oh wait, no, sorry. From there to there. Alright. And now we're going to do is we're going to form the box. So, make it like this. Let's rotate it. And take this flap and fold it inside. Like this. Okay. Okay, now we're going to do is we're going to fold this flap so it's like this, and same on this side. Okay, now we're going to do is we're going to make a diagonal mountain fold from this corner to that point right there, that crease. So you can just align this edge with the crease under it. And then make this fold. Okay, and let's do the same thing on this side. So we're going to make a mountain fold from there to that point. Oh wait, no, my bad. From this point to there. Like this. Okay, and now we're going to make a valley fold that goes from that intersection to this edge. And we can make it by taking this corner and bringing it to that point right there. Okay. So this is the flap that we're going to tuck into the pocket, which is the hard part of the model. Okay, and repeat on this side too. So we're going to make a valley fold by taking this corner and bringing it to there. So we're just folding that triangle in half. Okay, like that. Alright, and now comes the tricky part. So, we're going to assemble the model. So make sure the sides are like this. And then just take this part and just kind of just form on the existing creases, just like this. And the idea is that we're trying to get this corner and this corner into these two pockets. And this is really tricky to do. I apologize, but that just tends to be the hardest part of the model. Because it's like a game. And it's just really tricky to do for some reason. And I think it's just easiest to do one at a time first. And it's best to just kind of open the pocket with a pencil or pen. And that's what I'm going to do. So, get that opened up. And try and get that flap in there. There we go, it's going in. Going in. There we go. So that's the idea right there. You have to try and do that. Okay, it is tricky, I know. And do the same thing on this side. So, I think I'm going to call this maybe a low intermediate model. So it's easy just except for this last step. Trying to get the flaps into the pockets, because that's the hard part. But other than that, it's a pretty simple model. Oh my god. It is not cooperating at all. Okay. Here we go. I'm having trouble from 10-inch paper. Imagine using a smaller square, like a 6-inch square. That would probably be even harder. I made one out of a 6-inch square, but I don't remember how hard it was. I think it was harder getting the flaps into the pockets. But I think the larger square you use, it'll probably be a little bit easier. There we go, got it. Yes, yes. But I have to get this flap in there too. There we go, got it, yes, 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 yes. There we go. Oh no, it came undone. Oh, there we go, now it's going back in. Yeah, this is a little game here. There we go. Got it in there. There. Okay, and to make it stay, you have to just make these sharp. And it should stay pretty good. It does stay. So, just use your fingernail and just crease sharply like this. And it'll stay. And same here too. Alright, and then this flap, just fold it over. And then just crease it sharply like this. See? And it'll stay like that. How cool is that? So there it is, the origami gift box. So that was a challenging step. I hope you guys were able to fold it. And yeah, it is a pretty cool model. And I think once you exercise it enough, like if you keep opening it and then closing it, it should get easier to get the flaps into the pockets. So here's the gift box. You can put whatever you want in there. Let's see, what should I put on here? This is one I folded from a 6-inch square. So I'll just put that inside. Okay. Alright, and then the game here. Oh, might have to open that pocket up again. It's a lot easier to just get the pocket open. Like that. And then just get that flap in there. There we go, got it. Yeah. It starts to get easier the more you do it. And just to make it stay, you gotta make it sharp, like this. And it should stay like this. So yeah, there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys had some luck at that, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, Happy New Year.